What you doing down there, sweetie pie?
Mom, look at this pony. This girl pony.
Oh, how pretty. What's your brother doing, Zoe?
Maybe it's a unicorn. He's playing.
Playing with his toys? Okay, Zoe. Okay, so that's enough smooches. Oh, he can't see anything when you do that with his mirror, honey bunny. Hey, sweetie pie. So.
Might like the unicorn.
I don't know, I think that unicorn might be bigger than he is.
It is bigger.
Yeah, I don't know how much he'd like playing with toys bigger than himself.
See?
I see that, Zoe. It's a lot bigger than him.
You want to take a picture of this pony in her clothes?
A little bit. Watching him play with his toys.
Mom, now is there going to be a cute picture?
Mm-hmm.